Well, just in, Santa has been vaccinated and declared an essential worker as well. So Santa and his reindeers are getting set to take off, of course, Christmas Eve, delivering presents to kids all over the world. And with that, registered dietitian Abby Sharp is here with some great options to leave for Santa and the reindeer to help them refuel. Good morning, Abby.
Good morning. We are all ready for Santa over here. My son, who's 2.5 now, is so excited. Every single day, it's like a full-on elf moment where he's like, Santa! So I figured we better make him some good goodies to fuel that long night ahead. So
yes.
Let's start over here. I do assume that Santa's going to have to eat a lot of cookies, so I figured we would leave him an option with some more wholesome ingredients. So I'm going to be leaving these chocolate peppermint oatmeal cookies. Ooh. So good. And I love oats because they're a source of fiber, and Quaker oats are actually made with 100% whole grain Canadian oats. And I hear Santa is big on supporting locals, so that is really key. But oatmeal cookies are my personal favorite. Just putting that out there because I'm a chewy cookie girl, and I find that the oats give that really delicious texture and flavor.
Yeah, I love them too, and those ones look incredible.
Right? So I basically just creamed together my sugar and butter and added some whole wheat flour. And then I'm adding in my Quaker large flake oats for that characteristic kind of flavor and chew. And then I give this a good whirl. It takes a little bit of time. Roll it into balls. And then I put on top some chocolate chips and some nice little candy cane chopped up. So delicious. These are not even going to make it to Christmas Eve. I'm just going to say that right there. I can't imagine that we're going to get that far, but we're going to do our best. So I'm looking forward to that, just saying. Yeah. And then, of course, I think like Santa, like the rest of us, really needs to celebrate getting to the end of 2020.
Like all of us.
Like all of us. So instead of the milk, we've left him this Trius Brut VQA from the LCBO.
Good idea.
This is right. And, I'm all about supporting local businesses, especially this year. And this sparkling wine from Niagara is the perfect accompaniment to any holiday meal or appetizers, or in this case, dessert. Oh,
yeah. We paid them a visit yesterday.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so lovely.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. So yeah, this one's made with 100% Ontario grapes, and it's got a nice dry, crisp finish. So of course you can pick up this along with other really great Ontario-made products at your local LCBO. So especially if you're looking for that last-minute gift, really last-minute gift idea, that would be a really nice option.
Yeah.
And then we can't forget about our reindeer and Rudolph. No, so they need a little snack and fuel too. So of course we've left them their favorite veggies, but I've also done this peanut Sriracha hummus. This is from my book, The Mindful Glow Cookbook, which of course you can pick up curbside at your local bookstore, or you can order online for another really great gift idea. But basically what I've done here is all your regular hummus suspects are in here, chickpeas of course, but instead of tahini, I add a little bit of peanut butter. Oh. And that reindeer love peanut butter, I hear. And of course, it boosts up the flavor. And then I threw a little bit of Sriracha on top for a nice little kick because, hey, I figure we got to keep Rudolph's nose bright and red to lead the way for Santa. And a nice spicy snack is a really great way to do that too. So whiz that up. That'll do the trick. That'll keep everybody happy on Christmas Eve, myself included.
Yes. How many recipes are in the book?
Over 100. So we've got lots of really great options for everyone, whether you are vegetarian or you've got gluten-free or different dietary restrictions, vegan, nut-free, allergen-free, all those kinds of things. So there really is something for everyone. And all of the recipes are healthy, but also so flavor-forward and delicious. So the whole family will definitely love them.
Oh, I wish I could reach into the screen and grab those cookies. Anyways, Merry Christmas, Abby. Thanks for sharing these great recipes, and we'll share your website and socials at chch.com. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.